What?
Oh, I want that orange thing in the bag.
You already have one, don't you?
Yeah, but I like to have.
Oh, and look at all the hangers.
Yeah, I know. But
So,
it looks like it's mixed
rip-
with garbage.
Rip the small hole and take it. Oh, and there's a wire. I don't know for what, but...
You're weird.
You are.
Got it?
Probably still has the hanger on it. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
still on the hanger.
Hanger's stuck in the bag.
Here, take it. Take it, look.
Oh, it's a jacket.
No, really? Oh, look, a USB charger, look, for Android. You don't need that, do you?
Of course.
So take it.
Thanks. Flashlight? Do you need that?
Huh?
Oh, the button's sort of busted.
Give it to me. That's probably aluminum.
Oh, yeah, it's.
So throw it in the back behind your seat. And then help me with this. Yeah, I could probably do around a trailer with that. Okay, we're grabbing this thing.
Oh, yeah. Heavy?
Yeah. Hang on. Let's grab from here and tilt it that way. Go there. There.
Doesn't seem that heavy.
It is. Okay. Flip it towards me.
Oh, it's all falling right here.
Now, are you able to hold it like this?
Sure.
Okay, hang on. Let's bring it closer.
Ooh, there's dirt flying.
Yeah, because there was dirt in it. Okay, hang on. Lean it. Oops. Put it inside.
What?
Yeah. Okay, hang on. You gotta make room.
And after that we're done that, I want to see what else.
Okay. Are you able to go there? Okay, pick it up. Hang on. Okay, come in the trailer. Now, I want to put it so it's like this. You understand? Okay, that's going to be there. That's going to be there. So it'll be an arch. You get it now?
I think so.
Okay.
This one's gonna be there.
Yeah.
And that one's gonna be there.
Yeah. So when it's time for you to swing your side, I want you to move that towards the center. Okay? You ready? Stand it up. Go that way.
You pick it up?
Yeah. Put it on top of the fender. Now go that way. Yeah. Keep going.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Cindy. Yeah, see? Keep going. Wait. Whoops.
Okay.
I hate these fucking pipe deals. It's the exact same shit as my brown Tempo, or the beige one. Okay, now push it in there. Ah, right in the ass. It's not funny. Rape, I'm being attacked.
You like it at the end.
Look what I did.
I did.
I didn't want that to happen. Okay. Help me put everything in here.
Does that fan work or is there no water?
It's not this, I cut the wire. I think it did because they taped the plug up. Okay, I'm gonna pick up my side. I want you to get all the pipes out from under.
Okay.
Leave that one.
I know. I just want-
Ah, fuck. Sydney, wait. Oh, it's all the way. Okay. All right. Now put everything in here to get it out of the way. Can you take that one too? Yep. You. Are you making my coffee cold?
No, you.
What? So go look.
Ooh, don't touch that, Caleb.
Yes, it's all aluminum in
Do
them.
you want that knob for this thing?
Yes, I do. How dare you ask me that?
There's girly clothes, but for women, but I hate girly.
Huh?
It looks like a good place.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. I just got me a new bike. Yeah, I heard. Yeah. Oh, too bad it's all rusty. But I like the rack.
I like the rack.
You look like you're from
I
Iraq.
like-
Yeah, big deal. Look, the wheel, they were fucking with it. Oh, what else do you want? I love you more. Oh, me, but you smell
People
weird.
are gonna think that we're related.
I don't want that.
Oh, that's a kid's bike.
Yeah, a
Not a
girly
big bike.
kid's bike.
Not a big bike.
C'est le temps de changer les vélos?
Oui, monsieur. Il posait dessus de mon genre.
Bon, c'est rien que ça qu'il méritait?
Ah, il l'avait laissé traîner en arrière. Comment est-ce que
Ben, c'est ça quand on
c'est?
traîne.
C'est tout.
Super, merci monsieur. Ça servait à quoi ça?
Gage à lapin.
Ouais, c'est
Ah,
le cas.
ok. Ben, merci beaucoup là, bonne journée.
He ran over it?
Yeah, see the crooked back wheel?
Yeah, but why did he run over it?
Because it was in the driveway and he didn't look. And he blamed his kids.
Another idiot.
Yeah, he said his kids, it's for them to put their bikes away, which I kind of agree, but you still don't run over the kid's bike because it's not the kid buying another one, it's you. Don't lock me in here.
You could have put the bike on the fender on this side.
I have plans.
Probably crazy.
You. Can you get me a strap or do you know how?
You don't need it.
Yes.
On that
Yep. Oh no, over here. Yeah. They're inside the socks.
And
Or give me the orange one.
I know that there's socks store. Because that's what you do. But why not that one?
Because I guess I didn't have time or something happened. Do you mind?
I think so.
You're the weird. Think that'll hold it? What horse? You look like a horse. You. Okay, we're gonna pick it up and keep it there. Capiche? Hang on, you're pinning me to the
Sorry.
trailer.
Sorry.
Okay, roll it. Hang on. This top piece is really in the fucking way. Oh, it's separate.
Oh.
Fuck. Alright, it'll be easier to grab now, I think. Okay, push. Ah, wait. Okay. Hang on. Lift right up. Okay, now the fun part. We're gonna have to lift it and hang on. 'Cause, it ain't gonna work like that. We gotta get in. Wait, are you able to lift it? And I'll grab. Okay, I got it. Get in.
Looks like you were about to fall.
Well, Yeah. Good. Hello? Huh? Yep. I bet he's glad we ended up with that. Nobody really likes these. Ah. Now how are we gonna do it? Can you move that thing up against it? 'Cause I don't want him to slide out under. So,
Oh yeah.
ah.
Well, if it's pretty tight, I don't think it would slide out.
Yes, it would.
Right?
It's already on an angle and it's heavy. And you know how I drive.
Yeah, because you don't know how to drive.
Yep. Now, that one, I'm sure is going to find a way to do what I just said.
Unless you guys, I don't know. Oh wait, unless
Yeah,
if you stick that end in this.
Yeah,
and then-
we'd have to, but you know how much trouble I just had? Forget it. That's good enough. You. Okay, hold it tight here. Thank you. Will that work? Will that work? Yeah, that should work, eh? Up a bit. Yeah, I think it will work. Oh, don't tell me he's a fucking busted one. No, it's just crooked. Okay. Let me do that again.
What's taking so long?
You
You.
snuffleupagus. Alright. Now I got this to tie something else if needed. You're a shup. Now, do you know how to close that gate? My coffee's getting cold.
Why wouldn't I know how?
Because you're weird.
I've done it before.
Yeah, but not since I fixed it.
Something's weird.
Well, it's true. It's different now.
Why is
See
there
the
yellow
washers? What?
Why is there yellow paint?
It's glue. My light kept falling, remember? You just didn't notice last time, but it was like that.
The last time it wasn't dripping yet.
Yes.
It was anything like that.
Yes. Here.
Well, we have to put it here.
Not there.
Or here.
Yeah. You got it?
I'm gonna tell on you. You picked on me. Why did you pick on me?
Because it's so easy and I'm good at it.
Ooh, it's easy.
That's what I told you,
No, stop poking me.
Pocahontas.
You're the Pocahontas. I need to
Just one. I need your help. You pick all that up, and I'll go fix your thing.
Oh my god. Oh, there's one that...
Yeah, okay. So,
Damn, how does that...
this, it fell and it hit it. Ah. Miney.
No.
Everything's rusted in. Okay, I'll put these behind it.
Crazy.
Okay, you do that, I'll fix this. Oh, fuck.
What?
It fell.
How the fuck is that possible?
I don't know.
That means you can't drive fast.
You have a welder on you?
No. Do you?
No.
Why would I carry that?
Hang on. That's fucking crazy.
Good thing
Okay.
you noticed it, right?
Yeah. So, what can I use to hold? Oh yeah, tape. You think tape will work?
Oh, I was thinking more like tie wrap.
I wouldn't know where to pass the tie wrap.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, a key. You want the rusty key?
Hey,
Getting on my hands because of you. Is it because of you?
I don't know, but I'm about to hurt you.
I'll hurt you.
You're not able.
Because of you, I need to go pee.
Hey, because of you, so do I.
I needed to go pee some Timmy's.
So why didn't you go?
Because it was 2 at a time in Timmy's, first of all, and there was already a person waiting in line to go in. And second
So,
of all, they would probably not let us in.
what's a lettuce in?
Because not everyone lets us.
What's a lettuce in? Almost finished? No.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's not metal. Oh, yeah, this is.
Oh.
Something crazy.
You, hey,
Can I wipe my hands on
look.
you? Can I wipe my hands on you?
Stop repeating.
Well, you can answer me. And stop.
Stop what? What?
I said stop telling me what to do. Now stop dropping that on purpose.
I wasn't. It kept falling. What am I doing? Have you any idea what I'm doing?
Yeah, so it doesn't fall.
How is that going to keep it from falling?
I don't know. And what's that thingy thing?
That's the old wires.
You
I
cut
was never able to pull them out.
Crazy dork.
You the dork. Now go pee.